This is my horse. Her name is Tashin, and my hobby is horse riding. Everybody has different kinds of hobby. Some people like to play instruments, say poems, and ride. I do horse riding. Tashin is a beautiful horse. She is a warm blood horse and she has big brown eyes. She loves eating food all the time. I get up at 5 o'clock every day and ride Tashin. First, I put a saddle on her and then I put her bridle. Tashin also likes to go for long walks. She likes to eat tidbits like jaggery and chana and etc. Tashin is a very sweet horse and she is very experienced. She is 5 years old. She has a long tail which I love braiding all the time. I started horse riding when I was 2.5. Horse riding has been my favorite sport ever since. I like horse riding because I love animals, and when I sit on my horse, I feel like I can be a part with my horse and it makes me feel happy. And it is what I do for my free time. This is Tashin and her friends. She loves spending time with all of them.
What is eating?
Tashin is eating chana at the moment. And she is a very sweet horse and loves to be patted. Thank you. Thank you all very much for accompanying me with my horse Tashin.